What is up, fellow Pyros, Pyro Nation? Gunslinger brand, Toxic Tornado. 16 shots, up to 500 grams. I looked around, I did not see a performance on it. So you got kind of the same artwork wrapped around. So what we would do is look underneath. We have 1-inch tubes. There it is, a 16 shot, 4-4. Let's check it out. Little spacecraft going on. A Toxic Tornado. Gunslinger. 16 shots, up to 500 grams. As you know, thumbs up or thumbs down. We'll see in the comments down below. It's your boy Rob. We will see you in a few seconds.